Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy ITM Keem. I go by Rakim, and I want to show you guys my journey of taking my account from $200 to 10K. Now I'm at the 10K mark investing, so now my next goal is taking it from 10 to 25K. So let's log in and see the updates that I made in my portfolio and the changes that I made today. So right now it's say $8,209 investing is because I'm currently using margin to get ahead. As you can see, my margin use is $3,900 and I'm at low risk at 46%. And if I go to update borrowing limit, as you can see, it's a total of 9,000 margin available to invest minus well, if you do plus the 300, that'll tell you what I actually have invested. So let's walk into what I got going on. I got two lift call options. I got one out the money when it was around $19. So I went out the money a little bit on that. And the other one was in the money. It's 70 calls in the money because when it was at um well when it came back to $19, I went in the money because it stands by what my name is, ITM. So it's actually called in the money team. So I like doing in the money call option, but this another thing just to hedge my portfolio and help it grow more further. So let's get right into it. Let's see what I did. I got a little crypto going on. Okay, so right now stocks and ETF, we are at $10,000. Let's just keep it at 10,000 flat. We are down $45 on the day. After hours, we down. Well, the thing about this, so the way I set up my portfolio is to have income, um, growth, and I want real estate in there, like REITs in there to have good when the rates cut. I want my real estate, my portfolio to have a hedge in a kind of a sense. So LT, I'm gonna replace LT for WP because I don't like the way how it's performing. Um, it's been paying out very great. Obviously you see I got 500 shares of LT, and we got Connie. I like Connie. Well, Coinbase is actually down at the moment, so look at my average cost is $6.99, and we got 182 shares. Market value $1,100. We down $107. So if speaking with Coney, we got $63, $15, and we got $9. It's somewhere close to that $100 with drawdown. So I'm actually in the positive on Connie. Yes, we got Tesla. I'm keeping Tesla. I'm up on that position, $52. Shares we got $95, 95 shares. I'm sorry. Um, so we're gonna keep adding to this position. If it pull back below my average cost, I'm obviously gonna buy. But at this moment, I'm not gonna buy unless it do dip. We got Misty. It has been going down so much, but I bought in at around 24 shares, but obviously I didn't average in so much. And now with this company UMass, they changed the way that they pay out. It used to be monthly, and I kind of had preferred it that way because I was getting a higher amount. But now I think their strategy is great because now you can pay frequently, uh, every week. So I kind of want to add more into Misty because I haven't found a great replacement for it as yet. Until then, I will keep Misty in the portfolio. And then we have some IWMY Defiance 2000 Enhanced Option and Zero DTE Income ETF. So we bought in at $22.91. Now it's currently at $22.06. We got almost 60 shares, 1,300 market value. It makes up 10% of my portfolio. We are down $50, but I'm gonna buy more into this position because I like this income ETF. And the last payment I got was $14, which is not bad. I like it. Then we got Maro. I like Maro as well, so I will be adding to this position. And with the last payment they had, it came from $41 to $11. I don't really like that, but it is what it is. So basically what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to have income, growth, and real estate in there. So I'm going to show you guys what do I mean after going through my portfolio. So, and the way we are doing this, we are using margin to get ahead. Obviously, I'm going to be getting ahead when I record another video tomorrow, checking the update and what I added to my portfolio. So now we got next is T-Spy. I like T-Spy because it's for growth, daily income, but they pays every month. So the fund makes income every day, but they pay us every month. And I want to add more to this. So I might actually just switch, take the money out of Misty and put it in here and just, I don't know. Who knows? And then we got Blocks, Nicholas Crypto Income ETF. We had 24.98. We got 12 shares, market value 301. Average cost 25.90. Makes up 2% of my portfolio. And I'm currently down $11. And guys, when buying these funds, the most important thing is your maintenance ratio, especially using margin. You want a low maintenance ratio. So 25% is very good. So you can see all these ones I have is 25%. 25%. I think Misty is 30, 35. So it went up from 30 to 35. So that's kind of like on the edge for me. But we'll figure out what we do. And I got WP, which I will be replacing with Alti. Yes, because I'm basically choosing quantity. I'm basically choosing quality over quantity. So therefore, I will be putting up less shares to make the same amount what I'm making on Alti every week. And this fund here has all the Round Hill funds inside of it. So past month it's been up. 1 year max it's been up. So you know what I mean? It's been it's been performing pretty well since it came out. And today, what I added in the portfolio is gold. IAU by iShares Gold Trust. So I've been averaging down today. The first pay, the first amount that I put in was $150 at 79. Then I saw it drop down some more, so I added 100. I saw it went down. I saw it went up a little bit. I mean, I wasn't supposed to do that. I was supposed to wait until it come below. But I just go ahead and add the 50, then 100, and then I saw it below the 78, so I add 150. So that makes up to $500 and $545.12. Average cost is $78.39. and we're currently down for $4. But I'm gonna be adding more to this position because obviously when Trump talk about when 47 talk about the tariffs and all that going on, gold is the one that actually stand strong, whatever. But right now it's just a buying opportunity. Well, I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not telling you to buy. I'm just showing you my journey, what I am investing in, and how I'm doing my portfolio to hit my goal of 25K before the end of this year. I'm hoping to do it in 4 or 5 months, maybe 3 months. I'll see if we can. And you will know, you will see the journey of me doing. I didn't share the journey of how I got from $200 starting in January to $10,000 today. So it was very fast. I couldn't believe it myself. So we got week. So week by Roundhill is a weekly pair T-bill ETF. So what I do is any reserve cash that I have, because once you're in a margin account, you no longer get access to um when you're in a cash account, they allow you to give you 3% on your money for just letting it sit. But what I did was I figure out what I got smart, and I say, you know what? I found one that's weekly, paying about it doesn't say the percentage, but it's around 3% as well. So I'm collecting 3% of my money every time, every week, and you can see that I've been getting paid. And this when I first started putting my money. When I thought about it, I started putting my money in week. So I had 29 shares, so I've been selling it to go invest it somewhere when I see opportunities. So I had 30 shares right there, 28. You know what I mean? So I'm still gonna be getting paid a dividend from it. So I'll take it. And then now we have our growth. So I got VT from Vanguard, almost one share. Got $123 in there. I'm gonna be adding more to this position this week. We got Tesla. I will be adding more to this position this week as well. And I will keep you guys updated on what I'm gonna be adding in my portfolio. So if you guys come across my video and interested with how to grow your account, and you know what I mean, so it's just me investing my money. I'm not chasing like option trading so much. And but as you can see, I did the reason why you will see like I had like a big drawdown, like this $1,000 drawdown, is because I did something in my portfolio that I wasn't supposed to do, but I did it just to collect income. And if you want to learn about what I did to do that, obviously it looks bad, but I made money doing it. You know what I mean? And then the market just came down, so it make it more down. You know what I mean? See, I was actually up 12K, but I did something in my portfolio that draws me down. So I won't do that again because I want to see green, obviously. But with the income I'm making every month is about $600 to $700 every month off of this. So hey, you know what I mean? I like it. So you guys just let me know what you think, and if you start investing yet, and just we can I will continue share my journey with you guys. So keep you guys updated on what I'm doing in my portfolio to reach my goal to 25K. I'm gonna try to do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna try. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make it. So, and also this is what I want to show you guys too. So on Chat GPT, I always go to Chat GPT and you know talk about my portfolio. So what my portfolio gives, this is how I built my portfolio. So pay you every 30 days, but mine is pay me every week. So like clockwork, that's and two, I got market exposure. And 3, real estate plus rate hedge. 4, explosive growth core with your Mag 7 block compound. So with the Mag 7 block compound is your Google, Amazon, Nvidia. I'm gonna be adding those to my position as well. And 5, independence from SPY alone. Your portfolio, my portfolio will act like an index but perform differently. It pays to hold. So yeah, guys, so this is how I set my portfolio up. And if you guys need a little bit guidance, like I say, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to feel free to get your own financial advisor, you can, but this is what I going through, my own experience of investing, guys. So if you need a little help to grow your account from 200 to 10,000, I will share the tips, my tips and tricks, what I did. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good evening, y'all.